This is the bullet we're gonna kill him with. That's what I thought it was too when I saw it. Alright, we made it to where we wanted to be this morning. The sun's just about to come up. And we are really high up right now. We can see for miles up here, so I'm hoping that we'll be able to find a group of bulls or just a bull, and we'll get eyes on him, see if he's a big one. And we'll either shoot him or we'll go after him, so stay tuned and hopefully we'll get it done. So, do you see this drainage here? And it cuts to the left. That really rocky, deep one? Yeah. Yeah. And then it goes up to the right. And then it flattens out into that yellow-brown grass. Goes straight down into that drainage, kind of by where those rocks are. Get your swings. Okay, we got a new game plan. We're about 2 miles away from these elk. They're gonna go bed and we're gonna try and get on them after they bed down. Hopefully we can find them again. We're going right at them right now. We're within at least 500 yards. They're both bedded down up here. We're just gonna hope and pray that we can get on them. It's him. Yeah, it's him. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, I'm shaking. Again. Go. Wait. I can't see him. You good? Oh! He's down. Hey, come here, come to the left, come over here. You can see him right here. Jesus. Is down? I think so. That's right where he fell. He fell? You watched him fall? Oh, I saw him fall. I have it on video. Yeah. Fall down right there. Fall
bull down. Oh Lord. Bull on the ground. I can see him. I about cried. Dude, it's so sweet. Finally happened. We saw that bull, this bull from long ways away this morning. He came up here. The two bigger bulls split off from the little guys. Then this morning my dad found him again. So we watched him for a few hours and then decided to go right after him. And we were walking, look up, and this thing's laying right under a rock. He gave us plenty of time to set up. Blake smoked him. I think the first shot was perfect. The second shot was probably perfect as well. He made it happen on a sweet bull. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so amazing. Thanks, God. Huge. Look at him.
Some pretty good dancing.
Like, you got anything to say? Say something. Say something.
Wish me luck.
Say it.
Yahoo!
Why do you have your camera going?
Because I wanted to get a little pre-hunt video. Oh great, we get to see, listen to him go to the bathroom in there. It's gonna be the day. I'm gonna get our morning prep on video.
Is that really?
In your video.
Gotta get game day.
This is the worst.
I bet you don't ever do
This is like the worst morning on earth. Oh, that was a snap.
Yeah, it was.
Oh,
Well, that'll teach you a lesson.
oh.
Don't ever fart in your dad's face. That could have made me sick for the kill today. Now you're gonna be sick.